And after you leave a like, remember to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. And remember to hit the notification bell so every time I post a video, you can know right away. Subscribe, 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 subscribe.
What's up, my YouTube friends, viewer subscribers, everybody? Welcome back to another banger tasting test video. So yes, I had to go get it. So what I will be trying right now is Dairy Queen's new Biscoff Cookie Blizzard. So literally one video ago, I tried, don't tell me I forgot that one, strawberry mango. So I tried the strawberry mango and they came out with three. It's like a World Cup edition, which is so crazy because at this moment right now, this is the Friday, and 2 days from this moment it's gonna be the finals. So they dropped it literally when World Cup was ending, but I'm still making the videos anyway because the product is new. But I'm gonna still put World Cup edition. So Biscoff Cookie Blizzard, and Biscoff is like a good tasting biscuit or chip or whatever you guys call it. So I'm guessing this should be okay because I've tried a couple of things with Biscoff and it was actually busting. Check this. Hopefully you guys can see. Sometimes I think you guys can't see the things because of the ring light, so like the glare and whatnot, but I tried. So Biscoff, sorry, Cookie Blizzard. So we will be trying it and we will be ranking it just to see how it is. Then I'll see which one is the best one. This is mouth watering because I literally tried the strawberry mango. That one was busted. I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, let's see what this baby is working with. Oh, I love this. There's small bits of the Biscoff in there. I love it. I love when it's non flavored. It's like the actual thing in it, which is bussin'. Because some things I tried is like flavored like syrup. I remember one time I tried something with Biscoff, and before I remember that it was Biscoff, I was like, I've tried something similar to this in my childhood, like when I was like in grade 4 or 5. I was like, I've tried something like that, but I didn't know what it was called. This is insane. This is insane. It's almost like holy. This is also bussin'. Seems like I'm starting to get addicted to this. Okay. Because if I don't stop now, I'm gonna end up crushing the whole thing. Man, that is so tempting. I see a little bit of like the biscuit. I was eating like one side, and then there's like a little Biscoff sticking up. Okay, so this I give this a 8.5 out of 10. Also, this one was bussin' too. It's almost like with this and the strawberry mango, it's like bussin' in different areas. You know what I mean? It's not like this one is bussin' and this one is strawberry. Well, it did drop 3, so this is the second one. So after I try the third one, I'm gonna see just how it is, because sometimes places, like when places drop multiple stuff, like don't get me wrong, sometimes everything, like if they drop 3 beverages, sometimes all 3 is bussin'. but majority of the time they always have 2 bussin' and 1 that's like average. You know what I mean? For some people that complain about sweets, oh, this is too sweet or that is too sweet, oh, I don't like that. Me, I love my things sweet. but guess what? I do drink a lot of water throughout the whole day, so don't think I'm just feeding on sweets and whatnot. No, I don't do that. It's so like it's once in a while I do eat sweet, but like I love sweets, but it's once in a while. Now that I think about it, it's 2, 4. I be crushing more than 4 liters of water every day. And if I go to the gym, that's 6, because I got a big bottle. So it's like 2 liters. Yeah, so roughly over 4, and then when I get home, I'm still drinking water. Oh, technically it's okay. I can afford this with the type of body I have and all the water I drink. But yeah, so it is limited edition. Try it and see what you think of it. It is bussin' Biscoff Cookie Blizzard. It's worth a try. Even the strawberry mango one too. Sorry, that one was also bussin' too. Biscoff Cook. So this is what I was trying to remember, and the other one I think is called a Mexican style hot cocoa. See, I still remember. So yesterday when I went to go get it, or a couple of literally one video ago, I went to go get it, and I was like trying to remember the other names, and I couldn't remember them because I was focusing on the strawberry mango. But Biscoff and Mexican style hot cocoa. But this is also bussin'. So if you guys do get a chance to try it, let me know what exactly you think. Yeah, try it before it's gone. It's limited edition. So there you guys have it. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. I will be back trying to do more things. You go enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I post daily on them.